To properly blow dry your human hair wig or hairpiece for volume, you will need the Jon Renau Blown Away Blow Dry Balm, Jon Renau Weightless Volumizing Foam, a boar bristle brush, a paddle brush, hair clips, blow dryer, T-pins, a canvas blockhead, and wig clamp. Once you are finished cleansing and conditioning your human hair wig, wrap it in a towel and gently pat to remove excess water. Secure your wig to a canvas blockhead by applying 2 T-pins at the top of the ear tabs just outside of the lace front area, 2 T-pins at the lower ear tabs, and 2 T-pins at the nape. Do not pin through the lace front or monofilament materials. Use only your paddle brush to detangle your human hair wig while it is wet. Apply a small amount of Blown Away Blow Dry Balm from mid-lengths through ends. Apply 2 to 3 pumps of weightless volumizing foam throughout the hair. Using a round boar bristle brush, work in 2-inch sections starting at the nape. Blow dry over directing hair for optimal volume. Apply cool shot at the end. Jon Renau recommends performing a blow dry with Blown Away on all alternative human hair to smooth the hair and create a foundation for your styling.